Good afternoon to everyone, all present here in the dais and off the dais. I thank especially our Dr. V.R.S. Sampath and our Dr. Valli Nayakam, Honorable former Judge of Karnataka High Court, and Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram is the professor while I am studying in ML. And I thank especially our A. Tyagarajan, Dr. A. Tyagarajan, and Senior Advocate Veerasekharan sir. I thank Veeramani sir. He has given this opportunity as a chairman of this 8th World Tamil Economic Conference. I thank one and all. My sincere appreciation for all these distinguished speakers also. Dr. Prem Rajakumari also. Thank you. As time is the essence of evening, I would like to jump straight on today's topic, the mutual interrelationship of law and economic in development countries of all our world. Before heading into the subject of the topic, I would like to present my short insight on the recent and very recent, you can see in the newspapers also, 2 days or 3 days ago, there was a headline in the news that a court in Moscow had fined Google $98 million for repeated failure to delete content that was deemed illegal in Russia. In Indian rupees, that amount equals to around 700 crores. That fine imposed by the Moscow court was calculated based on the Google's turnover this year in Russia, which is approximately about 8% total revenue generated by the US company. So when a company internationally not followed the law, economic will go down. So by this not following these acts, these laws, the Google company has economically, they have suffered, and what all the economy they have gained, they have lost. Not only Google, but earlier this week, social media companies like Facebook, Twitter are also fined for not adhering to the rule imposed by the Russian government. These laws came into effect on December 2020 last year, where the Russian members of parliament in the lower house together passed 2 bills that restricts access to the US serial media companies that are found to criticize the Russian government and media, and also to impose big fines on platforms that do not declare such banned content. The first bill introduced by lawmakers would allow Russia to restrict access to fully blocked websites by Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. The second bill would be allow Russia to fine internet providers and size between 10% and 20% of the previous year Russian-based turnover for repeatedly failing to remove banned content. By introducing such laws in their country, Russia saw a steady increase in the usage of Russian-based social media startup platforms and a gradual decline in the usage of US-based social media platforms. That's why if any company, international companies or Indian companies who have not followed the law, their economy will fall down. Whatever they earned legally, that amount will become illegal. So any amount that we earned, that must be followed by laws of international and lands of the law. This eventually led to an economic shift in their country, where more and more local established social media websites and content flourished throughout the year, generating revenue and become economically efficient in this sector. Economics generally provides a behavioral theory to predict how the people of that country respond to laws. These bills introduced by the Russian government held a positive response from Russian citizens. The response of people is always relevant to making, revising, repealing, and interpreting laws. On a similar instance, In India, the Department of Telecommunication has imposed penalty of rupees 2,000 crores on Vodafone company and rupees 1,050 crores on Airtel company for their refusal to allow interconnection for the Indian-based telecom company Jio services in the year 2016, which had affected over 75% of the quality of services for the company. We all know how the introduction and impact of Jio services lead to an economic shift in the Indian market with the cheapest internet access to the users. Therefore, the Department of Telecommunication has given Vodafone and Airtel companies 3 weeks to pay that fine. As you see, law and economic development today reflects a similar division. Economics has changed the nature of legal work, the common understanding of legal rules and institutions, and even the practice of law. American Nobel winner Douglas North famously summed that law and economics relationship with an example, a legal system that does not penalize thieves or protect honest people from fraud and other forms of aggression would not offer the right kind of environment for economic growth. And in all, I conclude our thought process of law of development would demonstrate our motto to periodically and calculate through stable, transparent, legal region with regulated economic development to our nation, advantages and usage of our knowledge in public domain and with the use of traditional knowledge. Our Prime Minister has taken a measure to convert manual transmission of digital transportation where cyber security is going to play a major role in India and assess the world platform policies and procedures, standard legal procedures to be examined by GOs in personal data protection bill as per approval in the year 2018 with Justice Sai Krishna Committee. I would like to conclude my speech today by suggesting that future of law economics lies in this form of mutual relationship. It lies not in making law subsidiary to economics, but in using the analytical strength of economy in conjunction with empirical insights into people's wishes that legal system gives. So the combination of both theory and practices will enhance to serve our wants and needs of future. I did like to take this opportunity, thank Dr. V.R. Sampath providing me this platform. His able guide has always encouraged us. I thank him for his interest, his hospitality and confinement support to the betterment of law, justice through his publications like Sattakedir and other publications. I once again thank all the distinguished guests and all the present the delegates here. Thank you.